On the Blue Alliance, team 10825, Dubois Middle School. Along with their alliance mate 20207, Blue. On the Red Alliance, we have teams 6366, T-Robots, and 7283, Fistful of Axels. All right, we got a Blue Alliance ready and the Red Alliance ready. We'll go ahead and start our match in 3, 2, 1. All right, we got movement on the Red Alliance, orbiting their starting position. It's impressive if they're meant to do it. Still pretty impressive. All right, we got no movement on the Blue Alliance side here. So we watch this clock tick down for 10 seconds, the remainder of our autonomous period.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
All right, with a completely even score of 0-0. It could be up to anyone who wins this. Got a straight 2 points off the start of this match for Blue Alliance. Moving their Alliance specific sample that they preloaded into the net zone. Looks like they're working pretty quick to move those samples around the field to the net zone here. 6366 looks to be doing the same. All right, with about 1 minute and 15 seconds left in this match, it is still tied at 4-4. All of those points still coming from samples in the net zone. And we have Red pulling away with 2 more samples in the net zone than Blue Alliance. All right, 20 seconds left until end game. Five seconds till end game. Looks like it is also still tied at the beginning of end game. I wouldn't be surprised if this came down to the last second here. We've got both robots working on Red Alliance now as they carry these samples wherever they can for points. With 12 seconds left, we have one robot getting the part. The other on the Red Alliance in observation zone 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here. And it looks like we have a Red Alliance victory, 21-17 points, a close match.